You've probably pulled an all-nighter before. Maybe for school, maybe for work, maybe just because you got sucked into a show at 2 a.m. But here's what was actually happening inside your body while you stayed awake. And it's way more serious than just feeling tired. It starts subtle. In the first few hours of no sleep, your body starts producing less of a hormone called adenosine, which normally builds up during the day to make you sleepy. At the same time, your cortisol and adrenaline spike to fight the fatigue. So for a few hours, you might actually feel okay, even a little wired. That's your body in emergency mode, burning its reserves just to keep you upright.
By hour 6 to 12, your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for decision-making, logic, and self-control, starts going offline. Studies show that at this point, your reaction time slows down to the equivalent of being legally drunk. You start making worse decisions, you become more impulsive, and the scary part? You don't notice. Because the part of your brain that would notice is the part that's failing.
Around this time, something terrifying starts happening. Microsleep. Your brain forces itself into sleep for 1 to 30 seconds at a time, without you knowing. You're awake 1 second, the next second, you've blacked out and come back. Most people don't notice these blackouts at all, but if you're driving at 100 kilometers per hour, even 3 seconds of microsleep means you've traveled the length of a football field completely unconscious. By hour 12 to 18, your immune system starts to crash. Your body normally uses sleep to produce cytokines, proteins that fight infection and inflammation. No sleep means fewer cytokines. You become more vulnerable to getting sick. At the same time, your body starts overproducing the stress hormone cortisol. This raises your blood pressure, increases inflammation, and starts damaging your heart. One sleepless night is already doing cardiovascular damage. By hour 18, your perception of reality starts to break. Some people begin to see things moving in their peripheral vision. Patterns seem to shift. Sounds feel distorted. By hour 24, full hallucinations can begin. The brain, desperate for REM sleep, the dreaming phase, starts projecting dream content onto your waking state. You're technically awake, but your brain is dreaming anyway.
In 1964, a 17-year-old named Randy Gardner stayed awake for 11 days and 25 minutes. That's 264 hours for a science fair project. By day 2, he couldn't read. By day 4, he was hallucinating that he was a famous football player. By day 6, he couldn't even form complete sentences. He survived, but scientists now refuse to repeat that experiment for ethical reasons. Because prolonged sleep deprivation can actually kill you. In rats, 100% die after 2 to 3 weeks without sleep. Humans are believed to follow a similar pattern.
So why does your body need sleep this badly? Scientists used to think sleep was just rest, but we now know sleep does something incredible. It's the brain's cleaning cycle. Your brain has a system called the glymphatic system that only activates during sleep. It flushes out toxic waste proteins that build up during the day, including beta amyloid, the same protein that accumulates in Alzheimer's disease. Every night you sleep, your brain literally washes itself. Every night you don't, those toxins stay.
And here's the myth that millions of people believe. I'll catch up on sleep this weekend. Bad news. You can't. Research from the University of Pennsylvania shows that the cognitive damage from sleep deprivation doesn't fully recover with catch-up sleep. Some functions bounce back, but reaction time, attention, and certain memory functions show permanent degradation after chronic sleep loss. The damage accumulates. There is no rewind button.
Sleep isn't laziness. Sleep isn't wasted time. It's the most productive thing your body does in 24 hours. Your brain cleans itself. Your immune system rebuilds. Your memories are locked in. Your heart resets. So the next time someone brags about only sleeping 4 hours, now you know what's actually happening inside their body. If this video kept you up past your bedtime, I'm sorry, but also go to sleep.